Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Baby Tintin Stories. Today I will share some moments of babies with the park, why the park is necessary for the baby and how the babies enjoys the park. I hope you all will like the video, so please watch till the end. So let's go. Hello baby Tintin, say hello to all. Tintin? No, she is not in the mood to say hello because she don't want to get off the cycle. But on the other hand, the park is there, so she will. Baby, okay, she want to show the stunts to you all. So here is the stunt of Tintin. See, she can get off the cycle by herself. She has learned few days ago only. Oh, now she will do her favorite job in the park. She loves to run. She will play with the ball for a few minutes or few time, and then she will do whatever she want to do. Hi baby, see, she's plucking the grass. She loves to do this. This is her favorite, one of her favorite activity in the park. Her favorite activity, and whenever she is happy, she is very happy, then she used to crawl. She's showing her happiness by crawling when she get excited, but this is not good for you baby, as there are lots many stone in the park. So इसने मेरी बात मान ली, गिर गई, and then she will again start running. She loves to run in the park. She enjoys the park. If अगर ये गिरी और हमारी नज़र इस पे पड़ी, then she will come to us and will ask you to pamper her, and if you will not do, then she will scream, and if you will pamper her and say that kuch nahi hua, then she get boosted up and then again do the same thing what she want to do. She loves running. There are so many slides in the park, but she don't demand for that, as I too don't allow her to slide because it is quite dangerous for her. Now she will again move in backward direction and she will run. She will touch everything by her hands, will collect the stones, the unique things that she got, and will give it to me, and I have to take it and praise it. Wow, कितनी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें कलेक्ट की हैं तुमने. If I will not do that, then she will get angry. You have to praise her.
Tintin, hello.
She loves the bicycle ride, and it is easy for me also, as because there is a rod in the bicycle from where I can handle every moment of it. See, the park is very much necessary part of the development. Baby can learn to bond with the nature. They can explore their own world. Their brain are very much imaginative, and they get park as a platform to explore the things in their own way. So I must say that parents need to take some special efforts, and they have to take their baby to the parks for the better development. It is very much useful for the development. The gross motor skills also get developed in the park. As you can see, they are running, they are climbing, they are jumping, and these all will make their muscles more and more strong, and it will be very much beneficial for your baby. So I request you all to take a time and please take your babies to the park. There they can to get the fresh air, direct sunlight, that is very much useful for vitamin D. They get an direct exposure to vitamin D there. See, she is communicating with one children in the park. She loves to communicate. She, whenever she see the public, she gets very excited. Either she start walking with them or playing beside them, or she initiate the friendship between them. These are the things that play very important role in social development also. So so these are the good things of the park. And see now, इसके हाथ में एक लकड़ी लग गई है. The height of the ladder is greater than her height and she is uncomfortable, but she will not leave the ladder because she is loving it.
ऐसे
And I will try to teach her to play bat ball, but she will not do that because she didn't like that. She tried. Oh, she will try. Try. No, she is not interested in that. So she will do the thing what she want to do. So you are free to do so, baby. The stick in her hand, you can see that she herself is learning to balance between her leg, hands, and movement coordination. She knows how to run or walk with the ladder, and she is doing that. So you can see this is one more benefit of taking your baby in the park. They are learning the things themselves. uh, okay, she's enjoying. She sometimes play the sandpit game. She loves that. Here the sensory development is also getting very much higher because she can herself sense the things, how the grass touch, how is the leaf touch, how is the sand touch, how is the mud touch. She can learn those, she can differentiate those things by herself. And again, she's playing with the ball. She loves to play with the ball. She will throw it where she want to throw. And one good thing is that she herself bring the ball. In home she will not do that. We have to bring it and give it to it, and she will only throw the ball. Here she is enjoying her running, walking, crawling. She's 17-month-old right now, and she is just in learning process of jumping. She is not able to jump herself, but soon she will because she is learning that. Right now she can walk, she can run, and crawling to have learned earlier only. So this is the stage in which baby shows very tantrums. Their tantrums are on the peak, so we need to tackle them with love, with care, because we have no other option to tackle their tantrum. So do whatever they want to do is the best way to tackle the tantrums of the baby. See, she thinks that she's in the balcony of her house. She's in her imaginary world. Park is the area where they can explore their world and imaginatory powers. Their brain are very much imaginary. And see, she is now imagining that she is in the window and she is calling people to talk to her. And again the mood swings and she came to the bicycle. Jokes apart, this is the another clip of video. I have merged many clips. So here we are moving towards house. This is the worst part of the baby. She don't want to go back to the home. She never want to leave the park, but we have to go because दूसरे काम भी करने हैं, जैसे खाना पीना सोना. So that we can't do in the park. So we are moving towards the house. And when she sees see our door, she starts screaming very 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 much because she don't want to get entered in the house. She loves the park. She loves to be outside always, but it is not possible for us to play in the park whole day. So we are moving ahead, and I hope you all have liked this video. I request all parents that please take some time, take some extra effort, and please take your kids to the park. Lots many benefits are there of the park, and you have to give time to your kid, obviously. So here we are moving ahead. We are going to home. She's not in the mood to go home, but we will. I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and if you had, then please like, share and subscribe and show your love to us. And thank you for watching. Bye.